So how did our modern economy come about? We're going to explore the topic over our next few videos here on Gold Rush Stories. Now, at the end of the Second World War, the international community came together to discuss how international trade and the world economy would start to function. We're going to look at how this conference was actually reported in the media at the time. So what were the pivotal historical events that saw the formation of the International Monetary Fund and World Bank? So what replaced the gold standard? And what was the Bretton Woods Agreement? Here's an article entitled World Conference on Monetary Plans, dated May 29, 1944, from The Advocate in Burnie, Tasmania. President Roosevelt has called an international monetary conference which will begin on July 1 to discuss post-war financial problems. Invitations have been sent to 43 nations, including Australia, New Zealand, and the French Committee of Nations Liberation. The conference will be held at Bretton Woods, New Hampshire. A White House announcement said it was expected to last several weeks. All agreements worked out would subsequently be submitted to the governments for approval. The US delegation would be headed by the Secretary of the Treasury, Mr. Morgenthau. The Associated Press says the conference will consider proposals for a $10 billion World Bank for reconstruction and development. The Bretton Woods Agreement and System created a collective international currency exchange regime that lasted from the mid-1940s to the early 1970s. The Bretton Woods System required a currency peg to the US dollar, which was in turn pegged to the price of gold. The Bretton Woods System collapsed in the 1970s, but created a lasting influence on the international currency exchange and trade through its development of the International Monetary Fund and World Bank.